For years, Ford fans have been waiting for the next big chapter in the company's legendary V8 history. From the modular engines to the Coyote Revolution to the unstoppable 7.3 Godzilla, Ford has always known how to build a monster engine when they want to. But now, a new rumor has exploded across engineering circles and insider forums. Ford may be quietly preparing a brand new 7.0 LV8 for 2027. And according to internal whispers, this might be the most powerful, naturally aspirated V8 Ford has ever created. At first, it sounded like clickbait. Even longtime Ford insiders thought this was just fan speculation. But then the strange leaks started. Dyno room snapshots with unusual displacement codes, packaging models that don't match the Godzilla or Coyote, a Ford calibration engineer accidentally mentioning the 7-liter program, and a supplier document that hints at new high-strength components for a 7,000cc class engine. Individually, they're nothing. Together, they paint a picture that is becoming increasingly hard to ignore. Ford might be preparing a next-generation big block V8, and 2027 could be its debut year. And if these hints are real, this 7.0L engine may not just be another Godzilla. It may be a clean sheet design targeting the future of heavy-duty towing, performance trucks, and motorsports. Let's break down the full story. What leaked? What engineers are quietly hinting at? And why Ford may be building this engine at a time when everyone claims V8s are dying. The first leak. The mystery dyno block. The first major clue came from a leaked photo circulating in private technician groups. The image showed a Ford dyno cell, but not one currently used for Coyote or Godzilla testing. The photo wasn't impressive by itself, just an engine covered by a black cloth, but two codes on the test bench stood out. 7NA test HP calibration, Phase 2, 2027. Those two lines alone started a firestorm. When asked, Ford spokespersons said nothing. They didn't confirm it. They didn't deny it. They simply went silent. But what raised even more eyebrows was that several Ford powertrain staff members quietly liked the leaked image before it disappeared from social media. Insiders say that when pictures vanish quickly, it usually means one thing: they hit a nerve. Engineer whispers. This isn't a Godzilla revision. Over the last 2 years, the 7.3L Godzilla V8 has been Ford's unexpected hero, an old-school pushrod beast delivering diesel-rivaling durability without the emissions headaches. With its cast-iron block and simple design, it became a favorite for HD trucks and crate engine customers. So when the 7.0L rumor started, some thought it was just a bored-out Godzilla. But engineers familiar with Ford's engine structure say that is extremely unlikely. A powertrain analyst who claims to have worked with Ford suppliers gave a very telling comment. If Ford does a new 7, it won't be a bored Godzilla. It's more of a next-gen big block with updated emissions architecture, stronger metallurgy, and new cooling pathways. Think of Godzilla as Gen 1. This would be Gen 2. Another engineer hinted at Ford preparing a new combustion architecture designed for extreme cylinder pressures, even in naturally aspirated form. That comment is key. Why? Because it supports another rumor. The 7.0L might be built to handle a factory supercharger. Why now? Because diesel emissions are crumbling. The timing of this leak isn't random. The upcoming 2027 EPA and CARB heavy-duty standards will force diesel manufacturers into expensive emissions upgrades. Many industry analysts believe the cost will make diesel engines less profitable, or even push some companies out of diesel entirely. Ford already sees this coming, and here's where things connect. The Godzilla gas engine has already proven that heavy-duty buyers are open to big displacement gas power when diesel costs get too high. So, introducing a stronger, cleaner, more powerful 7.0L gas V8 for Super Duty trucks in 2027 makes perfect business sense. A former Ford powertrain planner said, "The next 10 years will see a shift. Big gasoline engines will replace diesel in certain HD segments. If Ford builds a 7, now it's for one reason: positioning Super Duty for a post-diesel world." He's not wrong. Everything we know and suspect about the new Ford 7.0L V8. Displacement 7.0L, 426 cubic inches. This would put the engine slightly smaller than Godzilla, but with different priorities. Higher revs, cleaner combustion, better efficiency under load, and stronger performance tuning capability. Some insiders speculate displacement could vary between 6, 9L, and 7. 1L since Ford has a habit of adjusting numbers late in development. Configuration, pushrod or DOHC? This is the biggest debate. Engineers say there are two possibilities. Option A, next-gen pushrod, most likely. Advantages: simpler, cheaper, stronger bottom end, better for towing, easier to meet emissions. Ford already mastered the formula with Godzilla. Several insiders say the leaked engine diagrams show a valley space large enough for a cam and block configuration similar to Godzilla. Option B, a large DOHC V8, less likely, but possible. Advantages: higher RPM potential, better breathing from the factory, stronger horsepower ceiling. But the downside is cost. DOHC is expensive, and Ford is trying to replace diesel, not create a $15,000 engine. Most engineers expect the new 7 to stay pushrod. Power: 525 to 600 horsepower naturally aspirated. This is where things get exciting. Ford already hit 430 horsepower with the 7. 3L Godzilla without performance tuning. The rumored 7 would likely target 525 plus horsepower for HD trucks and 550 to 600 horsepower for performance vehicles and crate versions. Suppliers say the new cylinder head design is the key, reportedly featuring higher flow ports and revised combustion chambers. One engineer claiming involvement in emissions testing leaked that the prototype engine hit 595 horsepower on 9.3 octane fuel naturally aspirated. We can't confirm that, but the number fits everything we know. Torque: 550, 650 pounds FT or more on the low end. Ford knows truck buyers want torque. If this 7.0L replaces diesel in certain trims, torque must be high and available at very low RPM. Insiders estimate 550 pounds FT for performance applications and 600 to 650 pounds FT for Super Duty variants. If that's accurate, this engine would out-torque GM's 6L gas V8 and Ram's 4L Hemi. Supercharged potential: 750 to 900 horsepower. Here's where things get really interesting. 3 separate leaks referred to the engine being FI-capable forced induction. A senior engineer reportedly told a colleague, "We're building the block to take a lot more than NA pressures." Translation: the bottom end may be designed for a factory supercharger later. Ford Performance would absolutely jump on that. A supercharged 7 could easily hit 750-900 horsepower. That would instantly dethrone the Hellcat-era engines. Materials and construction. Rumored upgrades include high nickel content block, forged crankshaft standard, not optional, revised oiling system for sustained high-load towing, improved thermal coatings for pistons, redesigned cooling jackets for lower combustion temperatures. These changes align perfectly with upcoming 2027 emissions and durability standards.